CHCH Museum for our, good morning, welcome back for our We Remember Remembrance Day special here on Morning Live. It's great to have Nainesh Kotak with us this morning from Kotak Personal Injury Law. I know you're sponsoring us again, so we appreciate that. Thank you. You're always there for the support. You're always also there for the support for the Wounded Warriors Canada program. And I want to know more about this program and why you're dedicated to them.
Yeah, first of all, it's an honor to sponsor, and I'm glad I had the opportunity again to do that. So Wounded Warriors Canada was formed during the war in Afghanistan. We were having soldiers with horrific orthopedic injuries. There was post-traumatic stress disorder, and the need was there to help wounded soldiers and their families. But after that war, they grew, in fact, to help first responders, ambulance, fire, police, correctional officers, even 911 operators. And the reality is when a first responder or a soldier, a veteran, is suffering from what's called an occupational stress injury, often it affects the whole family, right? That depression, that anxiety, the PTSD will reflect on the kids as well. And what Wounded Warriors did, and it's absolutely amazing, they've set up a program of therapy for children who are living in homes where the first responders, their parents, are going through post-traumatic stress disorder. And what they do is they have virtual camps, and they actually have in-person camps as well, and specialized therapy. And when the kids get together and they talk about their experiences, it really makes a big difference, because we know with mental illness, much of it starts in childhood, and if it's not dealt with in an effective way, it can affect how the person lives as an adult, how they work, how their relationships are. So I really commend Wounded Warriors Canada for doing this. And my goal then is to donate every year to them and help this specific program. In fact, I've been donating to Wounded Warriors Canada since 2015.
How did you first hear about them, or how did you get connected with them?
So I used to have a box suite at the then Powerade Center. I think it's now the CAA Center in Brampton, where the Brampton Beast used to play. And every year for Remembrance Day, I would bring out 1,000 troops and veterans to attend the game. I would sponsor them, get them there, even the ones from Sunnybrook as well. And then I would do a donation to Wounded Warriors Canada at that time. Unfortunately, because of the pandemic, the team closed down, and that facility is no longer available to do that anymore. But I made it a commitment to keep supporting Wounded Warriors Canada in any event on a yearly basis.
Because for the families and for the kids, because we live in silos, so for these kids, they don't think other kids are maybe going through what they're going through with their parents, their mom or their dad. So how crucial is it for them to connect together?
It's so important. Children learn from their peers, whether it's good things or bad things. A lot of it is through peers. And if you're associating and you're with peers that are dealing with something similar as you can actually help each other and support each other and learn the techniques that work. And I think what they're doing is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, where can people get more information? Like, where can they donate to?
Right, so Wounded Warriors Canada, they have a website. In fact, when you go on their website, you'll see the donation link right off the bat, and you'll see their programs, all the programs they have, and this is one that will be readily identified.
Thanks for coming on and telling the story. Once again, thanks for always supporting us and this Remembrance Day special. We really appreciate it. Nainesh Kotak from Kotak Personal Injury Law.